Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing essentials. Install Vesta and grant the minimal permissions when prompted so core features work. Sign in with your account email and password. Once signed in, enable biometric login for faster access and extra security. Make sure notifications and location are allowed if you want live alerts and local suggestions, otherwise skip them to preserve battery. This first step gets you inside the app quickly and prevents permission roadblocks later, so you can move straight into setting up your workspace. Once inside, create or select a project to house your work, name it clearly and choose the privacy level so collaborators see the right content. Next, connect billing or a payment method if you plan to use premium tools. This unlocks advanced templates and support. Then customize integrations and default views, link calendars, cloud drives, or chat tools so data flows automatically. Take time here because these middle steps let you automate repetitive tasks and keep your workspace consistent as you progress. To finish, invite collaborators and assign roles so everyone has correct access, then run a quick workflow test to confirm automations and notifications behave as expected. Make sure shared files open and integrations sync. If something looks off, recheck individual permission settings. If sync or login problems appear, clear the app cache, restart your device, and try signing in again. This resolves most transient errors. If issues persist, contact support from the app with a screenshot and concise reproduction steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.